All right, here we are, Indian Village again. This one was a decent before video, but the after is going to be awesome. I think Melissa from Whiskey Kitchen did a great job on this one, but little teaser right there in the window of the kitchen. But anyways, let's go take a look. So, hey buddy, how's it going? This thing up. What's up, kid? Check out this tile, this front entry. Took a little while, but it turned out great. Anyways, I come through here. Just a quick sneak peek in here to see what we did. People have some great taste. So we come through here. I'm going to show you this powder room real quick, just for kicks. Put the green door pretty well. So anyways, we did some wallpaper in here. All the brass fixtures, including everything underneath, obviously. And then old school toilet, brass. Little flare shutters that the homeowner put together. Pretty neat. But anyways, that's just a teaser. I'll take you into here. So this is this dining room area that goes into the kitchen. But again, dark ceiling. We did some wainscoting. Actually, not even wainscoting. We just did some chair rail around there. But obviously, impetuous taste here. These clients, everything looks spectacular. But then you bring it into here. We remove this wall. Open up into this unbelievable kitchen. We did a little quartz top, a little fancy edge here, but then butcher block everywhere else. Check this out. Look at that. Looks like it's probably a Shinichi hood and custom open shelves that Detroit built. We built those and stained them. I actually just painted black, but check that out. I could also show you one other quick thing. So from the foyer here, this was my idea, by the way. Some custom built bookshelves built in there. So when you're looking at this tiny little opening to the kitchen, you can see the custom shelves into the cabinetry. So anyways, come into here. Some little buffet here. Custom shelves, brass. I mean, unbelievable, eh? Look at that, it's like a furniture piece. Pretty sweet. I'll tell you what, my dishes don't look that good. That would never work in my kitchen. Anyways, especially red plastic cups probably wouldn't work out well either. Anyways, farm sink, butcher block tops, brass, a little more open shelves. You have lonely upper cabinet, and pretty awesome. All right. Anyways, sorry about the selfie, but see you on the next one.